One of the few consistent parts of our business is our logo. A professional logo will help you to stand out from the crowd, right? Because our logo is the face of our business. It helps people visually and instantly recognize your brand and what your company stands for. For example, Facebook has a letter, Nike has a swoosh, and Apple has an apple. All of these companies have instantly recognizable logos. You know you need a logo, but how do you go about creating a professional and beautiful logo for your business? You need a logo and you could hire a graphic designer, but that is going to cost you and you do not want to spend all of your startup cost on your logo. This is why Designhill Logo Maker tool comes in handy. It is totally free to make your own logo with Designhill's Logo Maker. Only pay for the design when you love it. So now I'm going to show you that how you can create a logo for your brand step by step. So we are on the web page of Designhill World's #1 Logo Maker. So as you wanted to generate a logo, so you just have to type in here your company name, as mine is Tegonity Studio. That's it. So you just have to click generate logo and it will redirect you to the next page where you have to pick 5 or more design styles that you like. So you can just choose any one, like this one is also good, so I can pick this. And I like this one also. This one also looks good, as the design of all these looks pretty much good. I like this one also, but I will not choose this. This font is not that good. I like this one and like this one also, this one also. As I have selected more than 5, so I can continue from here, as you do not have to look for particular colors here, because further you can change the colors also. I like this one also. So you can just pick random as much as you like. So I like this one and this one also. Now we'll continue. And you can select 3 colors that you would like your designer to explore. As I'm not particularly stuck to some color, but I like black one. Or I like magenta also, cyan, red, green, yellow, white, brown. But as I'm not particularly stuck to any of the colors, so I can choose this option too. Now we'll continue, and so now on this page we have to fill up some more company details, like we have to enter our company name as Tegonity Studio, any of the slogan that you wanted as an optional, but I do not have anyone, and my industry is photography. So here I will choose photography, and from this one you can select any of the budget from 0 to 10,000. Now I wanted to take my budget to the maximum so that I will get maximum benefit and maximum designs. So we'll go to continue it. Now here you have to put 5 symbols and choose 5 symbols according to your industry, as mine is photography. So we'll click it, and it is searching for some results. Here I got some of the symbols. I like this one and this one too. What else I can pick for my logo? This looks pretty much good, but it's not that good. I like this one also, and I like this one also. And now if you do not find any symbol from all these, then you can just click here and explore some more keywords. Now as I have selected 5 symbols, now we have to continue it. So it is analyzing some of the designs and it is generating palettes, and it is doing it quite fast. It's refining typography, and it doesn't even take some seconds, and it is done now. And now it has a call out page which is saying us to log in. If you have an account, then you can log in from here, and if you don't have, then you can sign up with Facebook, Twitter or Google. Now I would like to go with Google. Now here is the sign in page, and now I'm logging with the Google. Now using the artificial intelligence, they have created some of the logo designs for us. So you can choose some from them, and if you wanted to choose something else, then you can just have to click load more logos, and if you selected some from them, then actually I basically like this one. So we'll go with this and further we'll change it. So you just have to click the edit logos, and we'll look over some layout variations. Look for this variant. It has some of the designs. This looks pretty much good. This is also nice. Oh, I like this one. So now going to update to this. Okay, this is very nice. So if you wanted to change this setting, the container sizes, you can just resize it by sliding this bar. You can just make it 1 to 50. I wanted to make it with 34, and now I basically wanted to change the font, so I'm going to click it and change company font's name. Here we have some more suggestions. So you can choose from all of them: vintage, funky, display, calligraphy, futuristic, monospace, handwriting and serif. If you belong to something professional, then you can always choose serif. Like I'm going to choose serif for myself. It looks good with this, and you can also scroll to find something more. I basically like this one, so I'm going to go with this and update to this. My logo is now looking like this, as it is looking smaller in size. So I'm going to resize the symbol and I'm going to make it that big, and going to make this big also according to the design of my logo. Now, like if you wanted to change the colors of your background, of your font and anything else, then click on this edit color. If you wanted to change the company name's color, then you can change it by taking any of the color from them. It looks like this. No, actually I wanted to stick with the black color only. Now if you wanted to change the background, then like if you choose this one, then it looks like this. Now you can change as which one looks good. I like this one, the first one, and now going to change the color of the company name. And now going to make it something like this, or I can make it white also. So if you wanted to go with color variations, then you can choose any of the color from this multiple colors thing. This orange sunset. And now I'm going to finalize it. Now just see how it looks like on other stuffs. It looks pretty much good on different things. Okay, so if you like this one and you finalize your logo and design, then you will just have to check it out. See, it looks much good. Now you just have to click on the buy button, and Here you have to choose some of the package, the basic, premium and enterprises level, and you have to select any one from all these three, and you just have to proceed to checkout, and that's it. I hope you like Designhill logo maker tool, and I suggest you that you must give it a try because it is going to be cheaper than hiring a graphic designer. So this is it for Designhill. I'm sure that you would surely love it. So we put the link of the same in the description box below in this video, just in case you would like to check one for yourself. So if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share this video with everyone. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon so that you will not miss the very next upload, because in the coming days we are going to bring some more software reviews and pieces of information like this. So see you soon. This is Divya from Tegonity studio. Till then, goodbye. Take care.